history session, children. Okay, already I have taught you the civics topics of your this year academic years. You are having only the 3 chapters, children. What the 4th chapter you are having, the United States, that has dropped. Okay, only you people have to study this year the organs of the Indian government. In that, the first chapter is legislature, and the second chapter is executive, and the third one judiciary. All the three, the topic of third chapter of your textbook, children. First 2 chapters also has dropped because government has given the guidance to us to do up to 30% we have to reduce the syllabus. So what, in the civics I have dropped 1 lesson, and in the history I have dropped 2 chapters. I am going to start your 8th standard history with the 3rd chapter of India in the 18th century. Why I have dropped those lesson means because that topics are not going to continue for your 9th and 10th. These the topics what I am going to start now today. These topics and coming the topics are going to help you to study for your 9th and 10th standard. Because of that purpose we have dropped those lessons. That's all, children. Okay. So now come to understand what the topic I am going to explain you. You people have to understand, children, we are in the 21st century. So 3 years, 3 centuries ago's topic we are going to discuss. Means in the 18th century, what was the condition of the India? Whether in India, our Indian kings were ruling, or British, they started to rule of what are all the political condition was happened in our India. This is the topic I am going to explain you today. Okay, children, before to start to explain, you people have to understand in the 18th century, what was the condition of our India. Actually, children, from the Mughal empires, they are from Mongolian, right? The Mongolian comes near to the China, and China it comes neighbor country of our India. That the Mongolian people, even the Mughal empire is also out of our nation only. But that the Mongolian people, they came and they have established their empire in our India. Okay, but that the word by used by your version in our day-to-day life, that Mongol had become as a Mughal. Okay, the Mughal empires were there in our India. Okay, they have established their empire in our India, and end of the 17th and beginning of the 18th they have ruled in our India. Among in that time, the many, the Prithviraj Chauhan in the Akbar time, right, and Aurangzeb in the Shivaji Maharaj time, isn't it? Many the war had happened, and they were fighting to establish the Hinduism in our India, and Akbar and Jahangir and the Babur and the Humayun, they were fighting to establish their Islamic empires totally in our India. The condition was like how ಇಬ್ಬರು ಜಗಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರನೆಯವನಿಗೆ ಲಾಭ, like how the situation of our India in that period. What did happen? So in the end of the 17th century and the beginning of the 18th century, children, the decline of the Mughal.
बहुत से काम है मेरे।